Hello, boys and girls, men and women, ladies and gentlemen. It is I once again, Geeter-Burns, and we're going to start part one of the easiest, the best, the easiest and the best, however you want to call it, Rubik's Cube tutorial. Now, really fast, you ever heard the phrase that what you can't learn, you teach? Sometimes the opposite of that is true. What you can do, you can't teach. I'm the exception to that rule. So the reason why I say that, as like I said on the last video, a person may know how to do something, but may not know how to explain it for you to understand. However, what I'm going to do right now is show you the white cross. That's part one. So, as you may already know, no matter which way you turn the cube, red will always be red. Orange will always be opposite of red. Green will always be the green side. Green will always be opposite of blue. And white will always be opposite of yellow. So you can choose any side you want, but in most cases when you teach, you start with the white side. So part one is to make the white cross. Now, what you want to do is you want to create what's called a clean cross. The best way to do that is to make sure that when you're done with your white cross, that all the corresponding sides match up. If they don't, you'll have problems. So as you can already see, we already started one. We got the orange side done. Now you want to look for a white piece at the top. This is the bottom. This is the top of the cube, the yellow side. So I see that this is the blue piece, so it's already there. So we'll simply twist this around, and boom, we have the blue side done. Now, as you can see, there are no more top pieces that are white for the corner. So that means that the rest of them are on the side. So what you want to do is, if you find one here or up here, you want to turn it down. And then what's going to happen is you're going to have three different scenarios. Either these will match, they'll be opposites or not opposites. So before I bring this down here, to not mess it up, I want to move this around so I have non-opposites for each wing. And then I could bring this wing down. And then we find this last one. We'll bring it around. We'll bring this down. Blue is opposite green. So we'll just turn this. We'll turn this really fast. We know that red is opposite orange, blue is opposite green, and red is opposite orange. Blue is opposite green. We bring this down. Everything's an opposite, so we'll do a quick spin. Bam. The white cross is now done. And it's a clean white cross. If we started trying to solve the cube with the cross looking like this, it's going to cause problems later on. So that's the reason why I always say that you want to start a clean white cross. Now, I intentionally rushed this process on purpose, is because I want you to get a sense of self-accomplishment to kind of figure out the white cross on your own. No worries, we'll walk you through the remaining steps. But this is how you solve the white cross, which is the first step of solving the Rubik's Cube. We'll be back with part two momentarily.